Hello, my lovely animals. My name is Anne if you don't know who I am, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. I get to wear my tunic today. I have a full shift at Sephora. I honestly actually don't know what I'm doing today, as in like what task I'm doing, if I'm in color or I'm on the register. It said I'm on the register, but I'm not sure what I'm doing today. So last night I didn't get any sleep. I'm just gonna throw on whatever I can in the next 10 minutes. I got caught up playing Puzzle Fighter and I just kept playing game after game after game. Puzzle Fighter is similar to Clash Royale, like those kind of games, to where you can play people online, like live and battle. Besides the fact that I'm addicted, I wanted to just practice before I start playing Hector. I couldn't even add him as a friend. He was sleeping when I downloaded it. I got so caught up and I realized, oh, that boy went to work already. Eventually got to the point where I was like, well, I'll just take a nap, because I already slept so much yesterday. Now I'm about to go do a shift on no sleep. I actually woke up around like 5 o'clock p.m. yesterday. Like I woke up in the morning, but I decided to go back to sleep just to prepare myself for the week, and ended myself screwing myself over. Of course, that's how it goes when you try to get extra sleep. So the rest of the week I have like really early mornings, so when I get home I'm gonna edit, take a nap, and then go to sleep at a normal time like I should. I don't even know why I'm doing my brows, because my brows can stand alone, but they look so much better when they're filled in, honestly. When my cast members realize that my eyebrows normally look like this, they're like, oh my god, what? Like, these are your brows? I'm like, yeah girl, these are mine. And thank God I grew out the beginning, because I mentioned this before, I used to hate the fact that it grew straight up like this. Then it became the trend and I'm like, oh no, I gotta grow it back. It took a long time to grow it back while being decent at the same time. All right, I am wasting time. I'm wearing the Sweet Peach foundation already, the Peach Perfect foundation, and I'm in the color Nude. Good match, huh? Good match. It's a little pale, but only if you point it out. I can powder really fast. I don't have the Peach Blur powder, I think it's called. But Laura Mercier is always a good one. I was gonna mention the other day, I'm gonna leave my under eyes blank so I can put some concealer on at work. But I opened a new one and oh my gosh, it's so nice not having to pound off the bottom of the powder to get it out. And also, it just comes out so smoothly now. It's not getting everywhere in my car because it's not all in the cap yet. But it shook itself, so now there's a lot in the cap. I didn't bring an eyeshadow palette with me because honestly, I thought I was gonna be at the store early enough to try a new palette. So maybe I'll just put down a transition color. I'm just gonna put down a little bit, just to get myself started. Oh no, I don't know if I mentioned this in a vlog before. I think I have, but I never uploaded it. Using the Subculture palette, you have to lay down the colors just so, and you can't sit there and blend it out. You have to just place it correctly the first time. And that's how I feel about working on Asian eyes. Like, you just have to place the color correctly, and there's very little space to blend. While we do have like so much real estate here, we don't have much to work with in the crease, so you just have to kind of keep everything where you have it. This palette smells so good. Every single time it gets me, like, I'm like, oh god, I could probably love this palette more because I love peach rings so much, and I love peaches. I actually haven't had any this year. I'm just not in the mood to pick them out. But if somebody would have picked some out for me, I would have ate some. I think I probably ate like 1 or 2 this year. There's a train going by. Always. I need a shader brush. Shader brush. Alright, we're gonna pick up a random shader brush. What do I want to do? I want to do cobbler today. Jeez, train. How much time I got left? Okay, I need to start running in soon. After this, I have to pop all my makeup in my trunk, so I don't want anything visible in my car since I'm in the quarter. Because People love doing some crazy things down here. On top of the fact I can't let anybody see me put stuff in my trunk. Cause I forgot to put the toys in the house. You know what? I didn't forget. It's just, it was very inconvenient to do so because there's guys in the back of my car, so I have to wait until they walk away before I put stuff in my car. The girl, she didn't give me a big bag. I have 7 kids' toys in different bags, and that's a little ridiculous. She literally just combined 2 toys together in one bag. She put all the blind bags. But if I had the option of bag, I would have been like, give me a big one and I'll do it myself. Shoot, I need to get going. All right. Here's my full face. Brought the bronzer down too low today, but didn't have a lot of time to undo it. On my lips, I have the Kat Von D Glimmer Veil, the purple one, the Televator, I think. And then I have the Sephora Collection lip stain in polished purple on the edges. I put on a little bit of the chocolate gold palette on my eyes as well, just to kind of deepen and, you know, glimmer. The Stila Eyes for Elegance. One of the reflective ones, I forgot what it's called. By the way, this morning I put on my lashes outside, and the humidity, I was like, ooh, this is not a good idea, but I'm already committed. Then I have one of the glow kits. Ugh. I know I have Luna on my face. Not the Moonchild. The other one. Aurora. I have the Aurora glow kit on my face. And I keep staring at myself because it looks so pretty. Okay, I am all done with Sephora. I've been done for a bit now, but I decided to eat lunch. I fixed my leader's watch, and yeah, I actually fixed it. And oh, it's so crazy because like all I did was do a Google search on like how to fix it, and I executed it. And she went to, I don't know, the Apple store. She went somewhere, I think AT&T, and they had her in there for like 2 hours, and I fixed it within like 15 minutes. Over a Google search. I forgot to mention that I have the IGK Amaro ombre color hairspray, and it looks pretty realistic. It looks kind of crunchy, but that's kind of how ombre hair looks sometimes when it's not done right or it's not nourished. I got tired of aiming at my hair, and I got it all over my tunic too, but we managed to get most of it out. So what I was trying to do, I was trying to put the Girls Club, the pink one, in my hair, and I was trying to give it a base, and it just turned into this like lovely peekaboo wannabe balayage streaky thing going on. My hair doesn't feel very good up here. I have the dirty spray in the top of my hair, and ooh, my hair does feel kind of dirty. Did it give me volume up top? I started to curl my hair this morning, and when I checked like how the traffic was, I was like, ooh, I can't curl my hair no more. Curled 2 sections over here, 2 sections over here to even it out, and then like I pieced out. Everyone is loving this purple lip though. I'm so happy. It's honestly something I just threw on top just because my eye felt so basic today that I needed a really, really bold statement lip. And what better day than a day that I'm just working at Sephora. I was going to go to H&M to buy a dress, but I'm like kind of sort of don't want to, but I guess I will because I already put my stuff in the trunk. I mean, there's no harm in peeking in there. I just don't feel like changing, so I do need to take a selfie as well. I just need a profile pic with like my tunic, just to let people know like subtly, hey, I work at Sephora, here's my tunic. I'm not gonna write it in my bio because I'm too cool. Too cool. Made it to H&M, buying real basic stuff. Sweatshirt. Please don't tell me the order is coming back in style. Yo,
These were 2 sweatshirts that Meysing and I both picked up. You already know I have this one. Meysing has that one. They both went on sale with the discount we got. We got it for like a couple cents cheaper than what it would have been with this. So I guess I'm okay, but still, it's the principle. It really hurts. I honestly wasn't gonna buy it for $24.99. And then I was like really relieved I got a discount. But what I saw for 15, I would have snatched it up for sure. Of course. This is really cute, but I thought it was a dress and it's not. I think it'll still be as a sweater. I swear. No, I'm gonna find the one that's like the one that's a dress. I got the 2 items. They're just really cute. Yo, that's cool and all that we get in the blue bikes right by Sephora, but y'all have to take up 3 legal parking spaces where y'all headed at. That's no bueno. Yes, got all my drinks. Whew. I'm at the post office, going to pick up a package I got. Just to let you know, I did go to my... Thanks.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries. I got it. I did... Ooh, just ran right into that pain. I did go to the post office previously and got mail out of it. And I was supposed to open it on a slow vlog day, but I keep falling asleep instead. 4 minutes past the office hours. Please don't be a pickup. Please be a key. Please be a key. Yes. So I had it sent specifically to my PO box because I'm not dealing with nobody stealing packages. One of my friends got targeted with the whole porch package stealing stuff, and they actually just caught her today, the girl that did it. Ooh, here are the lockers. Locker number 7. Put the key in. Leave it in. Yes, ABH order. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, that highlight though. Ooh, the highlight. The ABH highlight it's glowing. So this actually came a few days ago, but I just came and got it because that's what I had time for. I ain't got no time to leave it on the couch. Yes, yes. Ooh, by the way, this was not my drink. It's Kasper's drink. This is my drink. With red beans. He had mung beans, and he just being a hater because I got a matcha milk one day and he's like, "Ooh, I want a matcha milk too." I'm like, no, my drink. Ooh, hit me in my soul. So much better with red beans. No shade to Kasper. So good. It's sweet. I like it, but not too sweet. Not bitter. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Been waiting for a good sale on this one. Got home, wrapped Kasper's and Meysing's gift because I don't know when I'm gonna be in Gulfport next. I just want to be able to give it to them so they could drop it under their tree and then not have to worry about it
until Christmas. 'Cause Christmas is the next day I have a day off. I'm gonna go to Gulfport now. And it's 6 o'clock. I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm doing this myself. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I'm gonna tell you what. Whew. Just got to Gulfport, ordering some Chik-Fil-A. I look extra vampy with this lip. Sans my tunic. My Sephora tunic. The lip just makes more sense when I have the tunic on. And I'm in these like layman clothes now, and it just doesn't make sense no more. I'm just a crazy lady with a glittery lip now. Chik-Fil-A, amazing salad, Kasper salad, my sandwich and fries, Kasper's other sandwich. What? Is this one yours? Is yours on a like wheat bun?
I don't care what bun, I'll eat anything.
To make sure I don't accidentally eat your sandwich. Yep, this one's mine. Yes. Cute. We're full. All of us. We're full. We're hanging out. Ugh. I'm gonna need you to get a hat. Where's your hat? Alright guys, I'm back from Gulfport, back in New Orleans, and I'm definitely gonna call it a night. Foundation still looks good. I don't know why everybody's saying stuff about the peach foundation. It looks good. It wore pretty decent throughout the day. I'd wear it again for sure, but my lips are wearing down because I kept kissing a lot of the lipstick off. Thank you so much for tuning in to day 19 of Vlogmas. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe, everything that you like, you know, if you haven't done it already. It's all good with me. And until next time, guys, keep it cute. I'll see you soon. Bye.